Boyfriend and girlfriend.
Dialogue 1.
Hey babe, how's it going?
Hey, it's going okay. I'm feeling a bit stressed about finals, though.
I know what you mean. I'm feeling it too.
I'm especially worried about math. I've been struggling with it all year.
Me too. Maybe we could study together sometime?
That would be great.
How about tomorrow after school? We could go to the library.
Sounds good.
Okay, great. I'll see you there.
The next day at the library.
Okay, so what do you want to start with?
I think we should start with math.
Okay.
They study math for a few hours.
I think I'm starting to get it. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help.
So, what subject do you want to do next?
How about English?
Okay.
They study English for a few hours.
I think we're good for today. I'm feeling much better about finals now.
Me too. Thanks for studying with me.
You're welcome. It was fun.
Okay, well I'll see you tomorrow.
See you.
They kiss and go their separate ways. This is just a short example of an everyday conversation between a girlfriend and boyfriend at school, planning about final examinations. The topics of conversation may vary depending on the couple and what classes they're taking. However, the general tone of the conversation is usually supportive and helpful.
Dialogue 2.
Girlfriend and boyfriend are walking down the hallway, talking.
I can't believe we're graduating in just a few months.
I know. It feels like just yesterday we were starting high school.
So, what are your plans for after graduation?
I'm thinking about going to college to study engineering. What about you?
I'm not sure yet. I'm thinking about going to college to study nursing, but I'm also considering taking a gap year to travel.
That sounds cool. Where would you want to go?
I'd love to go to Europe. I've always wanted to visit France and Italy.
Maybe we can go together sometime.
I'd love that.
So, what do you want to do after graduation? Should we have a party or something?
I think that would be fun. We could invite all of our friends and family.
Great! I'll start planning it.
Thanks. I can't wait.
They reach the girlfriend's locker.
Well, I have to go to class now. But I'll talk to you later.
Okay. See you later.
They kiss. Goodbye. The girlfriend walks away.
I can't wait to see what the future holds for us.
He smiles and walks away. This is just a short example of an everyday conversation between a girlfriend and boyfriend at school, planning about graduation. The topics of conversation may vary depending on the couple and what's going on in their lives. However, the general tone of the conversation is usually excited and hopeful.
Dialogue 3.
Hey, babe. What's up?
Not much. Just trying to figure out what I want to do after I graduate.
Me too. I'm thinking about applying for some jobs, but I'm not sure where to start.
Maybe we could brainstorm together. What are you interested in doing?
I'm interested in computers and technology, so I was thinking about applying for some software engineering jobs.
That sounds cool. I'm interested in business and marketing, so I was thinking about applying for some marketing jobs.
Maybe we could help each other with our resumes and cover letters.
That's a great idea.
We could also start a business together. What do you think?
I'm not sure. What kind of business would we start?
I don't know. We could brainstorm some ideas.
Okay. Let's do it.
They sit down and start brainstorming ideas for a business.
What are we good at?
I'm good at writing and marketing.
I'm good at computers and technology.
Maybe we could start a web design business.
That's a great idea. We could help businesses create and maintain their websites.
We could also start a blog or podcast to share our knowledge about business and technology.
Those are great ideas. We should definitely look into them.
I'm so excited about this. I can't wait to see what the future holds for us.
Me too.
They kiss.
Hey, babe. What's up?
Not much. Just thinking about the future.
The future? What about it?
Well, I was thinking about us. About getting married and having kids.
Wow. That's a big topic.
I know. But it's something I've been thinking about a lot lately.
And? What do you think?
I think I want to do it. I want to marry you and have kids with you.
I'm so glad to hear that. I want to do the same thing.
So, what's next?
Well, I guess we should start planning. We need to think about where we want to live, what kind of house we want, how many kids we want.
Yeah, a lot to think about.
But we have plenty of time. We're still young.
I know. But I'm excited to start planning our future together.
Me too.
I love you.
I love you too.
They walk off hand in hand, already dreaming of their future together.
Hey babe, what are you up to?
Not much, just finishing up some homework. What about you?
Same here. I was just thinking about our future together.
Me too. It's exciting to think about all the things we want to do together.
Like what?
Well, I've always wanted to own a house with a big yard. And I'd love to have a few dogs and kids.
Those are all great goals. I definitely want to buy a house with you someday. And I'm down for the dogs and kids too.
Awesome. So, how do we make it happen?
Well, I think we need to start saving money. We should also start thinking about what kind of house we want and where we want to live.
Good point. I've been looking at some houses online. I really like the ones in the suburbs. They have a lot of space and yards.
I like the suburbs too. They're close to work and school, but they're also quiet and peaceful.
Okay, so it sounds like we're on the same page. So, what's our next step?
I think we should make a budget and start saving money. We should also talk to our parents and see if they can give us any advice.
Sounds like a plan. I can't wait to start our life together.
Me neither. It's going to be great.
They kiss.
So, what kind of car do you want?
I'm not sure yet. I'm thinking about getting a pickup truck. I need something that can handle all my tools and equipment.
I think a pickup truck would be a good choice for you. It would also be great for taking the dogs to the park and going on camping trips.
Yeah, that's a good point. What about you? What kind of car do you want?
I'm thinking about getting an SUV. I like the extra space and height. And it would be good for driving in the snow.
An SUV would be a great choice for you too. We could even get a matching set.
That would be funny. But seriously, I think we should wait until we're ready to buy a house before we buy new cars. We don't want to take on too much debt at once.
You're right. We should be smart about it. But it's still fun to dream about the future.
It sure is.
They smile at each other and continue to dream about their future together.
Thank you for watching this English lesson. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave a comment below. To continue your English learning journey, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. You can also like and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you again for watching.